project, I have decided to create a password storage vault called My Safe Password. Users are able to log into their account and view the different accounts they have, such as their email, Facebook, etc. The passwords are encrypted to give the user a sense of security that the passwords are safe and secure. So let's attempt to log in with Bill Gates' password or account. Let's say he doesn't input the correct password. It says that the password is incorrect, please try again. Let's say he messes up his username. He says the username is entered is incorrect, please try again, and it gives the member an option to make a new account. So let's actually log in. Here you can see Bill Gates' stored passwords. You can see the account name, Chase Bank, login username is Gates, and the password is encrypted. That way, if the user is on this account page, if somebody was nearby and they see the password, it is encrypted and they can't copy those passwords. So let's say Bill Gates wants to add a new password. The account name will be for Twitter. The login username can be bgates. And the password will be Gates123. The user would then encrypt and add the new password. They are forced to re-sign in due to the fact that this is supposed to be a secure and safe program to use for their passwords. So he will then sign in again. And then you can now see the stored password down here, and the password has been encrypted. Now let's say Bill Gates wants to decrypt that password and reveal it so he can log into his Twitter account. He would then decrypt the password. Account name is Twitter, and the username was bgates. Once he logs in, it shows that his password was Gates123. Let's say there is not a user does not have an account. They have to input data for making a username, password, and etc., and also the security questions associated with them. So let's create one for David Ortiz. So once he creates his account, information has been updated. Let's say that David Ortiz forgets his password. Since I've decided to internally hash the user account's password within the Python code, the password is not retrievable. And in order to log in, if the password is being forgotten, they must answer the security questions that they provided when creating the new account. But let's say he messes up one of the fields. They're informed that the passwords do not match what we have on file in the database, and that they must try again. Now, since the passwords match, I'm able to add and create a new password. I've set it so that if the password entered is less than 7 characters, the password cannot be entered or cannot be created. And it also notifies if the passwords do not match. So let's actually do it for new password. It notifies me that one row is updated and the password has been reset.